Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Technology and Gadgets, your ultimate destination for the latest in tech reviews and gadget insights. Today, we've got something super exciting for you: Tech Gadgets gift guide for every occasion, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, holiday, or just because. We've got the perfect tech gift ideas lined up. Let's dive in. First up, we have the latest smartwatch. This gadget is perfect for anyone who loves to stay connected and fit. With features like heart rate monitoring, GPS, and notifications right on your wrist, it's a gift that's both stylish and functional. Great for birthdays and fitness milestones. Next on our list are these wireless earbuds. Ideal for music lovers and on-the-go professionals, these earbuds offer superb sound quality, noise cancellation, and a long battery life. They're a fantastic gift for any occasion, whether it's a graduation or just to show appreciation. Moving on, we have Smart Home Speaker. This gadget is perfect for anyone looking to make their home a bit smarter. With voice control, you can play music, set reminders, control smart home devices, and much more. It's a versatile gift for housewarmings or anniversaries. Next, we have a tablet. Whether it's for work, study, or entertainment, a tablet is a fantastic gift. With a powerful processor, high-resolution display, and plenty of apps to choose from, it's perfect for anyone from students to grandparents. Consider it for holidays or special achievements. For the gamers and tech enthusiasts, VR headset is a phenomenal gift. It offers an immersive experience for gaming, virtual tour, and even fitness. It's a unique and exciting gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because you want to give something extraordinary. Lastly, we have a fitness tracker. This is perfect for anyone looking to keep track of their health and fitness goals. With features like sleep tracking, workout monitoring, and even stress management, it's an ideal gift for fitness enthusiasts on any occasion. And there you have it, our Tech Gadgets gift guide for every occasion. We hope you found the perfect gift idea for your loved ones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and guides. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.